before I forget gogo amthenga unikeza a gift.
Gogo wakho?
Uthe ungayeqisi ilanga uspray every day. This is a perfume. We spray every day. Ungayeqisi ilanga every day mawuphuma emsebenzini you have to spray it.
Ngena gogo wakho?
Yes, my gogo.
Uyenzeni?
Sayizanga lutho une gift engikhonyana but kuthiwa singayishare. It is special for you.
Okay. Umbonile. Okay.
A few moments later.